Hello friends, do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. If we look at the calendar, we can find the last shape that we drew in our pattern, and that will tell us what yesterday was. And if we know what yesterday is, then we can figure out what today is. So what is the last shape you see in our row? Do you see it? Did you guess a red heart? If you guessed a red heart, you would be correct. So yesterday we did a red heart, and it was Friday, February 5th, 2021. So this was yesterday, and we're going to move one square over, and that is today. And so we're going to draw our shape in this box so that when we come back and we're doing the rest of our calendar, we will remember to come back to this square for today. What do you think needs to come next for our pattern? What do you think? Let's go back to the beginning and see if your guess is correct. We have red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus. Were you saying blue triangle? Or a blue rectangle? The rhombus has two names. It can be called a rhombus or a rectangle. I misplaced my marker there. So I've got my blue marker, and we're going to do a blue rhombus or a blue diamond. Start up at the top and make a line on an angle, then go down on an angle in the other direction, back up, and then back up to the top. And you can draw this on your calendar or on your piece of paper, or you can draw it in the air with your arm. Practicing in any of those ways is great for us to learn how to make our shapes. So today is Saturday. Do you remember how many days are in the week? Let's count together and see if we're correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Saturday can be a fun day. Lots of people don't have school or work, so they tend to do fun things, or they might do lots of work type things for home where they're cleaning up and doing laundry and that sort of thing. So this is Saturday, and it starts with a capital S. S for like snake, slithery snake. Saturday. 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 So today is Saturday, and we're going to put that into our calendar sentence. Today has a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence, and we always capitalize the first word in our sentence. So today is Saturday. So I'm going to put a capital S because it's the name of our day. SATURDAY, and then a comma, and then we're going to put in the month. And do you remember what the month is? It's way up at the top. Starts with an F, a capital F, because it's the name of the month. F for fun. February. February. And it's the second month of the year. Can you see it in our list here? 1, 2. So it's the second month. Do you remember how many months we have in the year? Let's count together and see if we're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Let's see if we can remember what they're all called. Are you ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So let's write February into our sentence. So today is Saturday, February, capital F-E-B. Whoop, I made a mistake. That needs to be an R. February. That's the part about learning, is that we make mistakes and then we learn how to correct them and do it properly. So February. Now the next thing we need to do is put in our number. Do you know what the number is for today? Let's look up at our square. Today is Saturday, yesterday was Friday, and it was a 5, and we say the 5th. When we put our numbers into the calendar, we change them a little bit. So a 5 becomes a 5th. What comes after 5? Let's see if you're correct. Let's go back to the beginning and count. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you say 6? Good for you. You can write on your paper, or you can make a 6 in the air with your finger. Start up at the top and come down, and then make a loop like that, a 6. Let's count backwards. It's okay if you don't know how yet. We'll practice together. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Good job. So let's put a 6 in our sentence, and then a comma. And then we're going to put our year, which is 2021. 2, 0, 2, 1, and then a period. So let's say our whole sentence together. Are you ready? Today is Saturday, February 6th, 2021. Good job. Did you happen to look outside to see what the weather was like before we started today? What's the weather like where you are? I looked outside today and it doesn't look quite as nice as yesterday, but not really terrible. Is it snowing where you are? It's not snowing where I am. What about cloudy? We have a little bit of clouds, but not a lot of clouds, so I wouldn't say it's totally cloudy. What about you? See any clouds? Sunny? It's not very sunny here. A little bit, but not like yesterday. What about partly cloudy, partly sunny? That's what it is for me today. We have some sunshine and some clouds. Raining? Is it raining for you? Do you get to wear rain boots and an umbrella? That makes for some fun splashing in puddles. Let's put our partly cloudy weather into our weather chart. So the first one is sunny. That's not the one that we want. What about the next one? Cloudy? Well, it is cloudy, but not fully cloudy. We need to have a sun in it as well. Cloud with some rain? Nope, not raining. Snowing? No, it's not snowing. Here's one that has the sun and the cloud. So we're going to put a tally mark in there. Can you see how many tally marks we have so far? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 tally marks so far, and we're going to add one more. Do you know what 3 plus 1 is? Let's see if you're right. Let's make a tally mark. Put your finger up to the sky. Get ready and strike it down. So we have 3 plus 1. Let's count and see if our answer is correct. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you guess 4? We've had 4 partly cloudy, partly sunny days. And next we're going to do our agenda. And yesterday was Friday, February 5th, and my friend came for a visit. So that was a really nice visit that we had, and we went for a walk and we waved to the people that we saw. Today is Saturday, so I'm going to put a capital S for Saturday. It's the name of the day, Saturday, and then a comma, and then February. Capital F because it's the name of the month, February, and it's the 6th, and the year is 2021. And then I'm going to practice my numbers all the way up to number 6 so that I get really good practice and get really good at my numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my 6. So it's partly cloudy, partly sunny. Looks like I got a purple cloud there, but that's okay because my imagination, it can be in any color. And some sunshine. And today I'm going to go get groceries. Do you go get groceries with your big person? I'm going to draw a shopping cart. So our shopping carts kind of look like this. And there's a handle. And then we've got some legs that come down to some wheels. And then we have a rack at the bottom here. And then we have kind of like a cage. And then we fill it up with all of our food. And I know that kids really like to push the cart. It's really fun to help push the cart. So I'm going to go get my groceries today, and I'm going to sign my name at the bottom, capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. And I want to print my name every day so that I get really good at printing it. It's a good idea. And if you don't know how to spell all your words yet, or if you don't know how to make all your letters, we can just practice by making one letter a day, and then eventually we'll get really good at making our letters. Today we're practicing the E. And you start up at the top. You can start with your crayon or with your finger. You can just do it in the air. You do your crayon on your paper, start at the top and come down. Then make a line across from the top and a line across from the bottom, and then one in the middle. Let's do that one more time. Go down and then across at the bottom, and then across in the middle. And that is an uppercase E or a big E. And then we have the lowercase e. So we're going to start half the size of a big E down here, and in between this line and this imaginary line, we're going to make a little line. Then we're going to go from this corner and make an arch like a semicircle, and then we're going to keep going and coming down under the E. Didn't stop just there, so it's kind of like a little mouth here. Make a line across, make an arch, and come down, and there's our E. So if you practice your letters every day, you'll get really good so that you can make words. And then you can do letters, write stories, print your name. So yesterday I was excited because my friend was coming over for our visit. And today I'm going shopping. Let's see, what do I feel like? Do you think I'm super excited again today? I don't really feel very excited. Let's see. What about nervous? Do you think I'm nervous to go to the store? I could be nervous. Sometimes there's lots of people. Sometimes it might be a really big store and I might be worried about getting lost. But I think I'm okay. I've been to that store before and I know my way around, so I don't think I'm feeling that way. What about angry? Do you think I'm angry today? I don't feel very angry. I think I'm in a pretty good mood today. What about sad? Are you sad today? Maybe you lost something or you're just kind of tired. What about happy? Just content, peaceful, easygoing? I think that's me today. I'm just kind of happy. And my kind thing today is that when I go to the store, I am going to smile at every person that I see. So I might not say hi, but I can smile to let them know that I'm friendly and that I'm thinking about them and that I see them. I'm acknowledging them in my space. So I'm just going to smile at everybody. Do you think you could smile at some people today? Maybe just at home, you can smile to your grown-up, or maybe you have a brother or sister or a friend that might be around. You can smile at your neighbor, or if you're in a vehicle, you can smile at the people in the next vehicle, maybe even wave. That's kind of nice to do. Just acknowledge that somebody is there and say, hi, I see you. Have a good day. So I hope you find something kind and wonderful to do today. I hope you have a super fun day, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.